This is nice, so I can show you where I am right now. So you see, you're here in King City. If you continue down on Holon Road, goes to San Antonio Mission, and then on Highway 1 along all the way to Carmel by the Sea and Monterey to pass Big Sur, which is the big attraction. And I'm gonna go Salinas, that's the John Steinbeck country, and then next is San Jose, Santa Cruz, and San Francisco. I'm in King City. So on this spot there's like several Mexican restaurants. I don't know why exactly everybody has to be here, but there's one, looks new, fancy. I went inside, really nice. And there's a restaurant, El Lugarcito, Comida Mexicana. I don't know what that means. Next to it, Lorena's, also Mexican restaurant. And over there on the corner, I think it's a grocery store, but I noticed this one, tacos. Looks like stand with the tables outside. I think that's the real stuff. The smaller, the better, I think. Yeah, that's the place I'm gonna do.
Yeah. Mango taco, please.
I'll join you here.
Oh, sure.
Three tacos for lunch. I just finished my lunch. This is like taco stand. There's a little sitting area inside, but it was really good, really good. And I'm gonna tell you, across the street there are two Mexican restaurants. There's Taqueria Lorena, and next one to it, I didn't see anybody walking in during this time I was sitting here. Nobody walked in. So this is the place. This is the place. There. Taco something Jalisco. King City.